Welcome to Skincare Pro. In this video, we'll explain how to install and set up the app on your device. Since Skincare Pro only works on iOS devices, please prepare an iPad or iPhone before we start. To start off, let's install the YouCam for Business app on your device. To install the app, please scan the QR code in the email you've received, or scan the QR code on the home page of the Skincare Pro backend console. You may also search for YouCam for Business on the App Store to download the app. Once the app has been installed, tap on the app to launch it. Please make sure to tap on Allow so you'll be able to receive analytics from the app. After the login screen has appeared, enter your login credentials, which are the same as your credentials for the console. If you have set up locations in the console backend, you'll also be able to assign this iPad to a location after logging in. Now you're ready to install and start your experience with Skincare Pro. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact our customer success team that are standing by to help.